In this video I will show you how to disable Google Discover on Android. Open Google Discover by pulling the left edge of the screen of your display. Make sure you are using the outermost screen on the left. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, select the Settings item. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. On the Settings screen, tap on the General section. Next, tap the toggle to the right of Discover. Google Discover will be disabled. Thank you for watching.